Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my newest favorite French designer, and I wanted to share with you my newest handbag edition from this particular designer that I have been loving. As you'll see really soon, their designs are super unique. You don't see anything like that. I first came across this bag by seeing it on a Korean businesswoman and a billionaire called Jin. She's one of the daughters of the Samsung family. She is a very successful and highly regarded female CEO, and she always looks so immaculately put together. And she was seen with this particular bag from this brand that I'm obsessed with at the moment, attending a wedding of another high-profile Korean family. And everyone expected this bag to be from a really high-end designer brand, but everyone was surprised to find out that it is actually from a new and upcoming designer, which is only about 7 years old from my research, with relatively reasonable prices, more like contemporary brand designer prices. I just love that. It goes to show that you don't necessarily have to carry a really expensive designer bag to look put together or expensive. What's more important is to have an eye for quality and looking for styles that will work with your aesthetics. So when I saw this particular bag, it was instantly, oh my goodness, I have to check this brand out. And I've briefly mentioned this in previous videos. Yes, I still love my high-end designer bags, but with the crazy price increases and with some designers declining quality, and not to mention sometimes boring and not very attractive designs from these typical designer brands, I've really been exploring more affordable designer brands with great quality that offer really unique and cool designs. Anyway, that is enough rambling. Let me show you my newest bag addition to my collection. I've already unwrapped it because I could not wait, and here she is. Isn't she just adorable? This is such a unique design. Like I mentioned, it is from a brand called DESTREE, which is a relatively new French designer. And this bag is sold out in Korea. It has been so popular after people saw it on Jin. So I went onto my favorite shopping platform, FARFETCH, and FARFETCH had a pretty good selection of DESTREE bags. So I ended up picking this beautiful lighter color. You guys know how much I absolutely love lighter colored handbags. So I was so happy to find this bag, and I have a new FARFETCH discount code to share with you guys, as this video is in collaboration with FARFETCH once again, who I absolutely love working with, and I'm so proud to be working with them time and time again. So for those of you who are already familiar with FARFETCH, I'll leave my discount code on screen, so you can maybe even check out these DESTREE bags and get a 10% off the already amazing price for this sort of a quality. But for those of you who might be new to FARFETCH, it is my absolutely favorite online luxury shopping platforms that connects customers from all over the world to over 3,000 of the world's best designers, boutiques and department stores. So the stock selection is always amazing, like this DESTREE bag. This one was shipped directly to me from the DESTREE boutique all the way in France. So it's almost like I was shopping there without necessarily having to go there. Shipping is always so reliable, returns and exchanges are so easy, which is so important. And they also have this amazing loyalty program. You get more member benefits as you go up the tiers of the membership, depending on how much you shop in a year with FARFETCH. So FARFETCH is just overall a really good luxury shopping platform. You'll have a great experience if you haven't tried it out already. So I'll leave a link to FARFETCH as well as this bag and everything I feature in this video in the description section below, along with my new discount code. So do make sure you head over to FARFETCH and check them out. And thank you FARFETCH for working with me on this video again. Anyway, I also snapped this bag up with a discount because there was a running promo code on FARFETCH at the time. So this bag I believe retails for around 1,000 Australian dollars, but with a discount code you can often snap it up for well under $1,000. So let me give you a quick tour of the bag and tell you all the bits and pieces that I love about this bag and why I think this is a great option to add to my bag collection. So the front of the bag, isn't that just amazing? This is in the off-white sort of ivory color leather. This leather is immaculate. The quality is really, really nice. And the front has this really interesting sort of wicker disc. It reminds me of those giant lollies that we used to have at amusement parks and all that as kids. I just thought this was the coolest detail. I even love how they mix this natural wicker color with some greens through it. It makes the color scheme of the bag a lot more interesting. I still have the tags on, but I absolutely love this bag, so I am going to cut the tags off now. It comes with a top handle. It also comes with a shoulder strap, which is completely detachable, and it's really comfortable because it's pretty wide. And you have the hooks inside, one over here and one over here. That is the back of the bag, which is pretty plain, and I really like how they did the inside as well. It has an attached black pouch there, so you can put your things in there and close the drawstring and push it down. That way everything in this bag stays secure. You can't see anything that is inside the bag, and you don't have to worry about things tipping out. And I find the drawstring closure a genius way to close a bag because the flaps can be a little bit floppy and flimsy. Sometimes zippers can get a little inconvenient, like those old versions of Lady Dior bags where the zip is just really hard to work with. But this way, you can just close it and then fold it down, and it's just so easy. And if you just want to keep it as an open bucket bag with easy access to your things, you can just simply not do the drawstring up, but just fold it down so that it is just an open bucket bag. So overall, this is such a well thought out design. Like I mentioned, the leather quality looks really amazing. It is really pristine. The stitching is perfect. And if you look at the details on this disc here, the way they executed the details is just perfect. And I especially love how none of the hardware really is visible. So even though it comes with a pale gold hardware, all the hardware is sort of hidden. So all you have is the little clasps where the shoulder strap attaches to, but it is on the internal of the bag. So there is no visible display of any hardware, which makes it really easy to match no matter what color jewelry you're wearing for the day. Even though I don't really mind mixing metals, I really love the clean look of minimal hardware. And in this case, really no hardware visible. So the particular bag that Ibujin was seen carrying is exactly this style, but in all black. The reason I went with this colorway is because I thought this was such a fun, unique design that on a black, you won't be able to see all of the immaculate details. And you guys know that I am obsessed with light colored bags. They are just what makes my heart sing. And at this sort of a price point, having a light colored bag is just so much less stressful. I do have an Hermes Kelly in the cray color, which is my all-time holy grail bag, but I don't use it very much because that is probably the only bag that I do tend to baby. I generally don't baby my bags and just use my things, but that bag is sort of the only bag that gets put on a pedestal in my collection. So I always really wanted an alternative in this light color, but in a bag that is really useful, that won't stress me out too much with the wear and tear. So this is just perfect. I think this colorway will make for a really great trans-seasonal bag. So this will be such a cute spring or autumn bag, but also a really cute summer bag as well. And it's just one of those designs where people might be thinking that looks like a cool bag, but I can't quite pick what designer it is, but it looks like a good quality bag. So it's one of those bags that is not so obviously designer, but the quality definitely shines through. While I was researching this brand, I found out that the brand is founded by creative director Geraldine Guyot. She's a wife of Alexander Arnold, who is part of the LVMH family, and Leticia Lombroso, who was the CEO and former Christian Dior couture executive. And I cannot pronounce these names properly. But anyway, the brand was founded back in 2016. Now, understanding the background of both founders, it makes so much sense why this brand is receiving a lot of attention by celebrities such as Jessica Alba, Beyonce, Rihanna, Reese Witherspoon, and of course it made the pick by Ibujin. So now let me quickly show you some modeling shots. After that, I'll show you exactly how much you can fit in this bag. So this is a bag as a top handle bag. I do have a somewhat summery or autumny dress. It's a great summer to trans-seasonal month dress. I especially love how these green details really tie in the bag to this dress. By the way, I think this dress is a classic style from Marche, which is a French clothing designer that I really like. And I believe it is still available on FARFETCH, so I'll also leave a link to this dress down below, and my discount code will work on this brand as well. But anyway, isn't that just a cute little bag to carry with this casual dress? And now let me attach the shoulder strap. The clasp has a really nice quality to it. So here we are, I have the shoulder strap attached. It's really comfortable because the shoulder strap is quite wide. This way you can make the bag a lot more casual looking. You can just sling it on your shoulder and off you go, two hands free, or you could even crossbody it if you want it close to your body if you're running around. It's probably a higher crossbody length, but I really don't mind that because I am not very tall, but that is what it looks like as a crossbody bag. And I've also picked up this beautiful ivory trench coat from FARFETCH. It is from a brand called Theory. This one came from a boutique in Italy called Eraldo Magazzino store. I love this trench coat. It is such an easy layer to put on any outfit. And I think this bag looks so cute and elegant with this trench coat as well. I mean, this is a creamy dream. I am just obsessed with this look. And this is it as a shorter bag with this beautiful trench coat. So I can definitely see this bag work for so many seasons. I just wanted to show you the whole length. It is on the longer side, so it comes just below my knees, and I think this has such cool vibes. Just easy. I got the size small and it is that perfect effortless look. I just love the fit of this trench coat. It comes with a belt as well, so you could just tie it up just like that, or you could just leave it open. It is a classic and timeless design. I am so excited to wear this trench for the upcoming autumn when my belly will really start to grow. If you've watched my last video, you guys know that I am pregnant, and I thought this sort of a trench coat will be so useful, as it is something that I can wear throughout my pregnancy as well as afterwards as well. It is just that perfect relaxed fit without being maternity clothes. Now let me show you how much I can fit in this bag. You can fit quite a bit, even though it is a mini bag silhouette. It is a very generous size. So I've just opened up the drawstring, and these are all of my daily essentials, but there's plenty of spare space even after fitting all of my daily essentials. So I've got my compact wallet, which is my Kelly Pocket from Hermes. I've got my iPhone, which is the iPhone 12 Pro. I've got my keys, which is quite chunky at the moment. I've got all the keys, and my cute little Eiffel Tower keyring that my bestie got me. And I've got a lipstick and a hand cream. So all of those things fit really comfortably in there. You can definitely fit a lot more than these. So if you're not the most compact person when it comes to your belongings that you carry around with you, but you love the idea of a mini bag, this is a great size for you. So that is my newest bag addition to my collection. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks a little odd, or do you love the uniqueness of it like I do? Anyway, don't forget to check out FARFETCH, and if you happen to find anything that you love, make sure you use my discount code to get the 10% off to get even better prices on some of your purchases. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.